And second term root 5. Root 5 start with power 0. Root 5 power 0, root 5 power 1. Root 5 power 0 is 1. So use the binomial theorem. 1 minus 2x power 5. 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5. So opposite, when you subtract, the sign changes and opposite terms cancels, like terms gets added. Same technique. In between we have term independent of x. This does not have x. The middle term is a term independent of x, we'll say. When you subtract, sign changes, opposite terms cancels, like terms gets added. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, I'll go ahead with the problems of binomial theorem. Expand 1 minus 2x power 5 using binomial theorem. And they give x value as 1 and a value as minus 2x and n value as 5. So now 1 minus 2x power 5. I can write it as 5c0. 1. All of you know 1 power anything is same. And second term minus 2x power, start from what? 0, then 5c1 minus 2x power 1 plus 5c2 minus 2x square plus 5c3 minus 2x cube plus 5c4 minus 2x power 4 plus 5c5 minus 2x power 5. Now further we'll simplify this. 5c0 is 1. Anything power 0 is also 1. And 5c1 is 5. And we have minus 2x power 1. Plus into minus becomes what? Minus. So I'll write minus here. So 5c1 becomes 5. Minus 2x power 1 is minus 2x. So minus I'll write here into 2x. Then we have 5c2. 5c2 means 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. Minus 2x power square. Minus 2 whole square becomes plus 4x square. Then we have 5c3. 5c3 means from 5 3 terms. From 5 3 terms. 5, 4, 3 divided by 3 to 1. Minus 2x cube, minus whole cube becomes minus. So I'll write minus here. Or we say alternate terms will become minus. Then minus 2 cube, 2 cube is 8, minus 8, that minus I wrote here, x cube. Then I have 5c4. See, dear students, 5 NCR is same as NC n minus r. 5c4 is same as 5c 5 minus 4, that is 5c1. 5c1 is what? 5. So this will become just 5. And 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. Minus, when you take power even number, it will become plus. And x power 4. Then last term, 5c5. 5c5 is 1 into minus power odd number becomes plus. 2 power 5 is 32. Sorry, minus power odd number becomes minus. So here plus into minus, I'll write minus here. Instead of plus, we'll write what? Minus 1 into 32 x power 5. Now simplify this. If we simplify, minus 5 into 2 minus 10x. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancels, 5 2s are 10. Plus 10 into 4 40 x square. Then 3 3 cancels, 2 1s are 2 2s are, 5 2s are 10, 10 8s are 80, minus 80 x cube. Plus 16 into 5, so that is 80 x power 4 minus 32 x power 5. Now they gave the value of x. X is what? 1. In the place of x put 1. So it will become minus 10 into 1 plus 40 into 1 square minus 80 into 1 square 1 cube plus 80 into 1 power 4 minus 32 into 1 power 5. You know 1 power anything is 1. So it will be minus 10 plus 40, then minus 80, then minus 32. Sorry, plus 80, then minus 32. So simplify this, I can cancel these two. So it will be 30 minus 32, 30 minus 32. This will become positive 30, that is minus 32, we will get minus 2. So we'll check this. So they told 1 minus 2x power 5. 1 minus 2x power 5 is the question, and they gave x is equal to what? 1. X value is 1, right? Yes. In the place of x, if you put 1, 2 into 1 power 5. So just I'm verifying. Verification. It's not necessary. This part just to make you understand. When you apply binomial theorem, it is one and the same. 1 minus 1 power 5, we should get minus 1. Sorry. 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 we should get. Sorry, first term I have left. So what is the first term here? Sorry, here first term is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 minus. So, sorry. So this is 1 minus, this is 1 minus, 1 minus 2. What is 1 minus 2? Minus 1. So by verifying I got minus 1. By applying also I will get minus 1. So dear students, so use the binomial theorem. 1 minus 2x power 5, 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5. Then 1 power anything if you take or not, it is same. So I am taking second term. Second term minus 2x. Powers you start from 0, 1, 2, 3, it increases. Simplify. After you simplify, they have told x value. Substitute the x value. You will get answer as minus 1. You verify. This is a given question. 1 minus 2x power 5. In the place of x you put 1. So you will be in one step you will get. But using binomial theorem also you are getting same. I hope all of you understood. Next. Expand x plus 1 by x power 6 using binomial theorem. And they have not given any x value. So x plus 1 by x whole power 6 can be written as 6c0 x power 6 and 1 by x power 0. Then 6c increases, 6c1, then 6c2, then 6c3, then 6c4, then 6c5. The last term will be 6c6. The first term, that is x power 6, then x power 5, then x power 4. X power decreases, x power 3, x power 2, x power 1, x power 0. Then the second term power goes on increasing. What is the second term? 1 by x. So 1 by x power starts with 0, then 1 by x power 1, then 1 by x power 2, then 1 by x power 3, then 1 by x power 4, 1 by x power 5, 1 by x power 6. Second term power increases, first term power decreases. Now we'll simplify this. So now we'll simplify this. That is 6c0 is 1, nc0 is 1, x power 6, x power 0, x power 6, anything power 0 is also 1, plus 6c1 is 6, then x power 5, 1 by x power 5 by x, plus 6c2. What is 6c2? 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. And then we have x power 4, x square. X power 4, 1 by x square. Then 6c2 we have done. 6c3. 6c3 means from 6 3 terms. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. And x cube, 1 by x cube. X cube by x cube. Plus 6c4, you know 6c4 is same as 6c2, 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1, and x square 1 by x power 4, x square by x power 4, plus 6c5 is same as 6c1, so I will take 6, and x 1 by x power 5, x by x power 5, last term 6c6 is 1, and anything power 0 is 1 by x power 6. Now further simplify this. The first term 1 into anything is same, so x power 6. Second term 6 into law of indices. All of you know a power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. So this is power 1. If it goes up, it will become 5 minus 1, x power 4, plus 2 1s are 2, 3s are 3, 5s are 15, x power 2 you take up, it will become x square, plus 3 2s are 6 cancel, so 5 4s are 20, x cube cancels, plus 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 15. See, I'll transfer it down, so it will become by x square, and then again 6 plus 6 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 6. This is the answer. You can observe the final answer is what? X power 6 plus 6x power 4 plus 15x square plus 20. Then again we'll have 15 by x square. The quotients will go in reverse order. 15, 6, 1. So 15, 6, and this will go to denominators. After 15 by x square, then 6 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 6. So now, 6 x power 4 it will be 6 by x power 4. Law of indices. A power m by a power n. This is 1. It will become 4. Only odd numbers. X square, x power 4, x power 6. So x power 6 plus 6x power 4 plus 15x square. First 3 terms. In between we have 20. The last 3 terms are like this. 15, the same quotients, by x square. Again 6 by x power 4. This comes as denominator. Plus 1, the quotient is 1 by x power 6. That's it. I hope all of you understood. Interesting. See here, quotients are same. 1, 6, 15. First 3 terms. Last 3 terms, reverse. 1, 6, 15. In between we have term independent of x. This does not have x. The middle term, this is a term independent of x, we'll say. Okay, let me start the problem 3. Problem 3, they want you to simplify this. 2 plus root 5 power 4, 2 minus root 5 power 4. We'll write the values using binomial theorem. 2 plus root 5 power 4. You know, this can be written as, start with 4c 0. First term 2 power 4 and root 5 power 0. Then 4c 1, 2 cube and root 5 power 1. Then 4c1, 4c2, we'll have till 4c4. 2 power 2 and root 5 square. Then we'll have 4c3, 2 root 5 cube. Last term will be 4c4, 2 root 5, 2 power 0, root 5 power 4. Same way we have to expand the other term also, 2 minus root 5. Then we need to simplify. So we have to use binomial expansion to do it. So in between we have plus sign. So in order to apply plus sign, we'll see how to simplify this. Now 2 plus root 5 power 4. Starts with what? 4c 0. Then 2 power highest term, root 5 power 0, no need to write. Then 4c1, then 2 power decreases and root 5 power 1. Then 4c2, 2 power decreases, root 5 power increases, power 2. And 4c3, 2 power decreases and root 5 power increases. The last term is 4c4, 2 power becomes 0 and root 5 power becomes 4. So whatever we wrote as 2 plus root 5 power 4, same thing we'll write for 2 minus root 5 power 4. All of you know binomial expansion. Start with 4c0, then 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4, you should stop. Then first term, what is the first term? 2. 2 power n, n means 4. Start from 2 power 4, go on decreasing. 2 power 4, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. And second term, root 5. Root 5 start with power 0. Root 5 power 0, root 5 power 1, root 5 power 0 is 1. That's why I did not write this. So now same way we'll expand this. If you have minus in between, we'll get same terms as above, but plus minus alternates. For odd terms we'll get positive, for even it will become negative. So now we'll see, odd term is first term. First term is same 4c0, whatever we got, 2 power 4. But next term is minus 4c1, 2 cube, root 5. The next term again positive, negative, positive alternates, positive, negative, then positive 4c2, 2 square, root 5 square, then 4c3, 2 root 5 cube. See, after plus we should get what? Minus, because root 5 minus actually it is minus root 5, minus root 5 whole cube becomes minus. So then last term 4c4, 2 power 0, root 5 power 4. So now here, so these are the two equations. I call this as equation 1, I call this as equation 2. So now LHS, if you see the problem, they want you to find 2 plus root 5 power 4. In between we have plus 2 minus root 5 power 4. So they want you to add. So now I'll add 1 and 2. So let us add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. So adding 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. LHS becomes, LHS you add. If you add LHS, it will become 2 plus root 5 power 4 plus 2 minus root 5 power 4. RHS also you are adding. When you add the RHS, so this 4C0 2 power 4, 4C0 2 power 4 becomes 2 times 4C0. So this will become what? When you add, it will become 2 times 4C0 2 power 4. Then 1 is plus, 1 is negative. If you add, these two will cancel. Again, if you add these two, it will become 2 times 4C2 2 square root 5 square. Again, negative terms. So this is positive 4C3, this is negative 4C3, equal and opposite will cancel. Then plus 4C4 plus 4C4, sorry, this is 4C4. 4C4. 4C4 plus 4C4 becomes 2 times 4C4 and 2 power 0 root 5 power 4. Now this is the answer. After you add the equation 1 and 2, LHS plus LHS, root 2 plus root 5 power 4 plus 2 minus root 5 power 4, RHS plus RHS, opposite terms will cancel. Positive 4C1, negative 4C1 term cancels. Positive 4C3, negative 4C3 term cancels. Whatever you left out, their like terms, you add them. Or if you know A plus A is 2A. 4C0 2 power 4 plus 4C0 2 power 4 is 2 times 4C0 power 4, like that. So now that is equal to final 2 times, all of you know NC0 is 1, 2 power 4 plus 2 times 4C2. All of you know 4C2 is what? 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. And we have 2 square. 2 square is again 4. Then we have root 5 square. Root 5 square cancels, it is 5. Plus 2 times 4C4. What is 4C4? 4C4 is 1. Anything power 0 is also 1. And root 5 power 4. Root 5 power 4 is, root 5 means 5 power half power 4. Now simplify this. 2 power 5 it will become 2 into, and here 2 I will cancel. 4 4s are 16 into 3, or 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60, 64s are 6 4s are 240 plus 2 into 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 into 5 square 25. Now 32 plus 240 plus 50, that is 290 plus 3 22. So answer is what? 322. Hope all of you understood this. Same technique you can apply for this, but we have minus. Minus means what? So opposite, when you subtract, the sign changes and opposite terms cancels, like terms gets added. Same technique. Okay, let us, I'll explain problem 4. We'll start with this and we'll conclude. So 3 plus root 2 power 4. 3 plus root 2 power 4 can be written as 4C0 3 power 4 root 2 power 0. Root 2 power 0 no need to write though. Then plus 4C1 3 cube and root 2 power 1. Then 4C2 3 square and root 2 also square. Then 4C3 3 power 1 and root 2 power 3. Last term is 4C4 3 into root 2 power 4. 3 power 0 and root 2 power 4. The other term is what? 3 minus root 2. I told you 3 plus power 4. I told you people. So 3 plus root 2 power 4 and 3 minus root 2 power 4, expansion will be same, but here plus minus alternate. In between we have minus. So that makes your process same. Above terms I will write as it is. 4C0 3 power 4. Second term is minus 4C1 3 cube root 2. Then plus above what we have? 4C2 3 square root 2 square. Then minus plus minus alternates. 4C3 3 root 2 cube. Then again plus 4C4 3 power 0 root 2 power 4. So now I need to subtract this, call this as equation 1, call this as equation 2, and we need minus in between. So subtract 1 and 2. So what we'll do, we'll subtract the answers. So I'll subtract 1 and 2. So I'll perform 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, LHS minus, when you subtract the sign changes, minus becomes plus, again plus becomes minus, again minus becomes plus, again plus becomes minus. After you change the sign, opposite terms you can cancel. See now 4C0 positive, after you change it is 4C0 negative, cancels. So now these two are like terms. Now these two, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, this will get added. Then so after you change the sign, this positive becomes negative. So now again observe, positive 4C2, negative 4C2 cancels, and these two, this is positive, after you change this is also positive, like terms gets added. So this is positive but this is negative, so cancels. Now like terms you add them, so we need to subtract. So LHS is 3 plus root 2 power 4 minus 3 minus root 2 power 4. RHS, after you subtract these two, cancels. Now 4C1 plus 4C1 becomes 2 times 4C1, and 3 cube root 2, and this 4C3 plus 4C3 becomes 2 times 4C3, and 3 root 2 cube, and that's it. So all other terms gets cancelled. So we'll get added with this term and this term. So odd terms cancels. So now simplify this. That is equal to 2 times, all of you know 4C1 is 4, 3 cube is 3 3s and 9 3s are 27 into root 2 plus 2 into 4C3. 4C3 is same as 4C1, that is 4 into 3. Root 2 cube can be written as root 2 square into root 2. Now 4 to the 8 into 27 root 2 plus 2 4 is 8, 8 into 3 into 2 square root 2. So okay, we have to multiply. So 7 8 is 56. 216 root 2, 3 2 is 6, 8 is 48 root 2. Like terms you add them, that will become 264 root 2. So I hope all of you know how to subtract this. When you write one another, see above expansion, below expansion is same, but only what changes, the term that changes is negative. See here, alternate terms gets, say this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. So same as above, this and this almost same, only alternate terms we should take negative. And when you subtract, sign changes, opposite terms cancels, like terms gets added. So one problem in addition, one problem in subtraction I have done, same technique you use and solve it. Binomial expansion, all of you know. So we have power 4 means 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. First term power 4 and go on decreasing, 3 power 4, 3 power 3, 3 power 2, 3 power 1. Second term root 2 power 0, root 2 power 0 I am not writing, anything power 0 is 1, then root 2 power 1, root 2 power 2, root 2 power 3 till root 2 power 4. And if it is minus in between, first term positive, next term negative, first term alternate, plus minus alternates. That is the technique. So these are the problems for the day. I hope all of you understood this. Please sit and practice them. These are all very important 4 mark questions what I have discussed today. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.